Are you looking for a perfect vanity table to complete your bedroom ensemble? Check out our top 5 picks for the best vanity tables. These tables offer ample storage space and a variety of design options to suit any aesthetic. Whether you're looking for a traditional vanity table or something more modern, so let's get started. List 1. IKEA Large Vanity Set for Christmas Day with 10 light bulbs. IKEA Vanity Set is a super functional dual-use vanity set. This set contains one big mirror, one tabletop, and 4 pedestals. The tabletop is a mirror, which is useful, and the pedestals are tall and slim, which can hold a lot of beauty products. This is a lamp with Hollywood LED lights that can change color and can also be set to 6 different levels of brightness. This is a super cute vanity set and will be an ideal gift for your girlfriend, wife, or daughter. The tabletop is a mirror, and the pedestals are tall and slim, which can hold a lot of beauty products. This is a lamp with Hollywood LED lights that can change color and can also be set to 6 different levels of brightness. This is a super cute vanity set and will be an ideal gift for your girlfriend, wife, or daughter. The vanity set is made of high-quality MDF, and this vanity table set is absolutely durable and sturdy. It is easy to clean with the clean and soft cloth to prevent the makeup powder from falling. This vanity desk set is perfect for those who want to do the makeup in the bathroom. List number Tip Tipper Vanity Table Set with Lighted Tri-Folding Mirror. The Tip Tipper Vanity Table Set with Lighted Tri-Folding Mirror offers a convenient place for putting on makeup and doing your hair in the morning. A place to update your makeup during the day and a special space just for yourself at night. It features both warm and cool lighting modes so that you can be sure to achieve the perfect makeup look every time. This vanity table features 10 Hollywood-style LED light bulbs that provide plenty of brightness even in complete darkness. This vanity set is a unique and beautiful way to add class and life to your bathroom. The tri-folding mirror provides an elegant lounging area for makeup application, as well as providing lighted illumination where you are able to view yourself from multiple angles while you apply your makeup. The vanity table is constructed of durable MDF with acrylic look legs and comes in white, gold, or black colors. List number Tribe Signs Vintage Vanity Table with Lighted Mirror. The Tribe Signs Vintage Vanity Table with Lighted Mirror is a truly unique dressing table set. With its large mirror and 8 LED bulbs, the Tribe Signs Vanity Table offers enough soft light to illuminate skin tones and color accurately, giving you control over your every grooming detail, whether it be in the day or night. This vanity set features a large drawer, 3-drawer chest, as well as a lighted mirror that can help you apply makeup incredibly quickly. This 8-lighted vanity mirror from Tribe Signs is ideal for any room of the house, be it your bedroom or bathroom. In addition to its artistic design, Tribe Signs offers elegant storage that allows you to keep all of your makeup products organized and accessible when needed. Fitting in a variety of design aesthetics, from classic to modern farmhouse and more. This one showcases a rectangular frame awash in a vintage finish for a touch of pure appeal. The firm legs are easy to assemble with pre-drilled holes for bottom pieces. Great as an accent vanity table or a piece you can use as focal point in your bathroom or powder room. List number Retic Makeup Vanity Table with Lighted Mirror. This makeup vanity table is a must for those who want to save space but want to create an organized makeup area. It features a lighted mirror and strong anti-toppling fittings that keep accidents from happening. This vanity table is also easy to move around, thanks to its U-shaped design. The white appearance and silver handle make this dressing table with lighted mirror coordinate well with virtually any room decor. This makeup vanity table with lighted mirror is a great way to make your dressing room look more stylish. It is also a good idea to use as a computer desk or writing desk. This vanity has been made using EPA-grade particle board veneer, and the left and right side panels adopt the whole board floor structure to ensure the stability of the product. Farther, the anti-toppling fitting on the back ensures the safety of your family. Measuring only 27.6 inches L times 15.7 inches W times 53.9 inches H, this vanity does not take up too much space but he's fully functional. List number: Tribe Signs Vanity Table with Lighted Mirror. The Tribe Signs Vanity Table with Lighted Mirror is a beautiful and functional vanity table for your bedroom or office, making it a great addition to the home. The clean lines of the tabletop, silhouette, and sleek design make this vanity table an excellent choice for any room in the house. With 9 lighted LED bulbs on the makeup mirror, you can see yourself from any angle when applying your cosmetics. This elegant lighted vanity table with mirror and 9 Hollywood-style LED light bulbs will glamorize your bedroom or changing area that you've always dreamed of owning. With the removal of upper mirror, the makeup vanity can be used as a sturdy desk, writing table, or a console table. Create an expression of style and elegance in your home with our vanity table with lighted mirror. Crafted from strong golden metal frame, 0.98 inch, and E1 graded MDF wood, this makeup vanity takes on both contemporary and classic silhouette in your home and serve you for years to come.